here. We're off on our second attempt to go get the little fish. We decided to go to the grassy area. We're bringing 2 boats, all the kids, Mom, Dad, Isa, me. Heading out. Gonna go see if we can get those little fish. Alright, be right back. Going out the other side of the sign towards Surigao City. That's Surigao City.